Jayjay. So, today, what are we making? A
Volcano.
volcano. Very good. Okay, so, number one.
Water.
Good, add water. Very good.
Yeah.
Some more? More? Okay, very good. And we need soap.
Soap. Yeah.
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 Yeah. There you go. And now you can mix. Mixing, 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 mixing. Very good. Okay. And now we need baking soda.
Baking soda.
Add baking soda. Big spoon. Okay, some more. Big spoon.
More.
Some more. Okay, very good. Okay, now we're going to add our colour. What colour is it, Jayjay?
It's red.
It's red. Very good. Let's try. Okay, I'll help you do this bit. It's a bit tricky. Okay, so you want to squeeze a little. Okay?
Wow. Wow. Wow.
So cool. What colour is this?
It's blue.
It's blue.
It's blue.
Very good. Okay, let's go. Okay, a little bit, okay? Very softly. Okay. Okay, now we need the smelly stuff. We need vinegar. Add vinegar. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
A big spoon. Big spoon. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me help you. Whoa! Okay, now mix it. You can mix.
Wow.
Wow. It's getting bigger. Very good. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more baking soda.
Yeah.
You do? Baking soda.
Yeah.
Okay, put the spoon back in here and mix.
I think more vinegar.
Wow. Okay, now a bit more vinegar with the spoon. Good. Very good.
Yeah.
Bit more.
Yeah.
Okay, mix. Woo! What colour is our volcano now?
Purple.
Nice. What's it called?
Volcano.
Volcano. Very good. High five. Well done, Jayjay.